Beautiful morning. Everywhere you go around Brisbane River or Brisbane, you will see the beautiful Gateway Bridge in front of us. It looks nice when it lights up as well. Yep, bird is singing early in the morning. It's really calm, really good. Peaceful. Anyway, we don't know what we're going to catch in Bulimba Creek, eh? Let's. I know there is bream, flathead, trevally, tailor, all sort of thing. We just keep paddling until we see a good spot. We might stay there. Wow. Let's throw the horns in, eh? It's high tide, so it's going to help us a little bit. It's good. Oops. Just going to let it drift. Well. What a beautiful morning. Have a look in the background. I mean in front of me. So nice. I got the mosquito spray ready. Heaps of mosquito and midgie, guys. Make sure bring this when you go fishing around this area. They will bury you. Especially in summer. I gotta make sure to bring it. I'm fully prepared. Okay, spray everywhere. Keep spray. Nothing, no bites. Gee, that was quick. Probably shallow water. Anyway, let's start paddling, eh? Let's start paddling to our spot, eh? Or any spot we can find. Okay. Beautiful morning. Daylight slowly. We haven't reached our spot yet. We just pick a random spot, eh? Look at that branch sticking out the water. Yeah, it's pretty shallow water in here in Bulimba Creek. I wonder why there's no boats around, like inside here, just kayak, like me. Lots of like structure in the water. Look how calm the water now. Wow. I think those are houseboat. I think people do live on them. I don't mind living on them actually. I can go fishing every day. Yep, birds singing, birds flying everywhere. It's morning, time for a feed I think, for them. Just in front of me, around the bend, it's an 8-meter drop. Must be something big in that 8-meter drop. Big monster down there. What's that? What's that like? What is that thing? Yeah, so it's pretty deep. Probably sharks in there. There we go, we're just going around a bend. 8-meter drop here. Wow, what's that in front of us? Is that a houseboat? Pretty big for a houseboat. Mansion. Yeah, I think we are approaching the bridge. I think it's off the motorway going towards Port of Brisbane. Yeah, lots of people sometimes fish on the bridge at night time. I think there's Dewey there. One time I saw a guy called a Dewey there. Just drop a line here, guys, see what happened, eh? It's a long creek, this one, Bulimba Creek. There's a pearly. Heaps of bird life. Nice. Beautiful. There you go. Using peeled prawns today. First strike. First strike for the day. Feels like a bream, guys. What is it? Ah, are you kidding me? Bloody caddy. Jeez. That's better. That's what we want. What the heck? There's catfish in here as well? Well, anyway, it's better than nothing. Wow. Nice one. Let's chuck this pillion in, eh? That's what we're catching this Bulimba Creek system with the pilly. Oh my god. Guess what, guys? I was doing something with a hand line. This rod nearly pulled in the water. I wonder, what is it? Wow, strong fish. Lucky I just grabbed it in time, otherwise bye-bye to the rod. Catfish. Oh, gee. How did I guess that right? It's a catfish. What's going on here? Come on. Oh. As always, catfish. I thought something like better than this. Catfish, guys. Yuck. Medium-sized caddy. There you go. Don't come back. Oh, got something big on this one, guys. On the prawns. It's got to be a massive catfish. I think we stayed at the wrong spot, guys. We stayed. Whoa. Stingray? Stingray, guys? What do you reckon? I thought we're staying at a catfish spot. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. What is it? It's heavy. Wow. Oh, don't break it. Wow. Just pulling the kayak. Oh! How did I guess that again? It's like a mini shark's bloody caddy. Oh no. Oh, wow. See that? Big catfish. I think we're moving spot, guys. What do you think? We're not going to stay here and catch all this caddy. Look at that giant catfish. I've got to move after that. We'll release this one. Go! Don't ever come back. Yeah, we're gonna paddle back to that bridge. I think the spot that we were fishing, all catfish, guys. That's not what we want. Let's try a different spot. Or maybe the whole system is catfish. Who knows? Sunrise. Nice and warm. As always, beautiful morning. Yeah, we found our new spot under the bridge. Oh, something, there we go. And it's a shade as well, so it's good. All right, let's see, no catfish here. There you go, guys. Under the bridge, away from the catfish area before. Hopefully something different, Lots of nibbling. Got something on the gang hook, guys. What would it be on gang hook? Ah. Yeah, that'll be right. Little choppy tailor. Beautiful bait. Yeah, very nice. But at least it's not catty. Oh, slow down, I'll let you go. A little one. I've changed spot. And let's see what we got. Ah, okay, there you go. Something different. Different spot, different species. Bream. Nearly pulled a rod in the water as well. They're hungry and angry. Early in the morning, hungry and angry. Well, okay, just a nice little one. Okay, let's see what we've got on this gang. Feels like a tailor. There's nothing else around here eating the gang hook. Except tailors. Nice. Better than the catfish. Oh. Alright, just settle down. There you go. See ya. What on here? Is it a catfish or what? Wow, plenty of action around here. This is what we like. This is what we like, guys. Oh, no, my rod, my other rod. Don't get. Come on. Oh no. Now we're stuffed. How the heck did this rod get in here? Come on. No. No. Come on. Oh, I just saw it. It's a tiny stingray. Tiny stingray. Okay. Look at that. Tiny one. Tiny ray. That's not what I like. I just broke the rod, guys. Something pulling, and this rod is already broke. I fix it up now. Now it's broken again, second time. Look at that. What's this? What is it? Bream? Feels like a bream. Oh yeah, it is a bream. Holy cow. Nice size too. Well. Broken rod with a big bream on it. Now what we're going to do. Wow, nice. Beautiful. Yes, this is what we want, not the catfish. There you go. Oh. Come on. I don't want to get spiked. Come on. Yeah, nice size. Anyway, see ya. So now what we're going to do, guys, look at that. Well, we're going to fix it again, don't we? Look at that. I'm going to push it back in. There you go, guys. We just break a little bit off. Since it's snapped, we'll push it in. Using the two hooks just to tie it up, eh? And then we go home and throw it in the bin. Get a new rod. Maybe new rod, new reel. Jeez. Just a bream. Snap the rod. Alright, we'll put something on this broken rod. What is it? Choppy. Broken rod, still catch fish. Just temporary. Alright, settle down. There you go. Well, you often come here a lot.
Yeah, I come here a fair bit. I'm too lazy to go somewhere else. Like, I usually go bogging.
Yeah.
Either there or Holmesley.
Oh, yeah.
Holmesley's alright, man. You should try that place.
Yeah.
You know that jetty on the left, the
Yeah.
weir,
Yeah.
where this crane, yellow crane is.
Yep.
Go there, bro. There's usually decent stuff there.
Yeah. Deep water, right?
Yeah, man.
Current strong as well.
Yeah, that's the only problem. Yeah, current strong.
Unless you fish this time now, like it's not moving.
Yeah.
It's good for lures.
Your little bait net.
Huh? Which one?
There.
Oh yeah, bait net.
Yeah. I see you go out at the port.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That port and out the
out
channel
here,
somewhere.
Yeah, watch your channel.
Oh, okay. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, subscribe.
Yeah. It's just like fun stuff, you know.
No, that's good, man.
Yeah. Like about family, about fishing, you know, that kind of stuff.
No, that's good as
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Because I live just around this area.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do a lot around here.
Yeah, I'm
Last time
around Browns Plains, but I travel. This is the only good spot I reckon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like I travel up these ways, fish around Brizzy River.
Oh, nice. That's a long.
To try city, man. I reckon nobody goes to the city. You know, like.
Which one? Oh, yeah. Are you using lure? Are you using lure? Lures? Are you using lures? Oh, okay.
Usually there's a lot of stuff.
A lot, heaps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually there's a lot of bait, a lot of everything.
Yeah, heaps. It's just a bit quiet today, but it's a nice day out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a good spot because there's hardly no boat traffic.
Yeah, that's how I
That's why
do.
always come here.
Yeah, deep water just here. Heaps of this. They're all like this size, but you can get big. You can get bigger.
Yeah, I've got a decent ones in here. I'm trying to look at it. They were like scary.
Yeah, heaps of them. And they got something on the hand line. Feels like a tailor. Oh yeah, it is a tailor. Nice one, see it? Yeah, all angry there. Yeah, real baby tailor.
Back on the rack, the room, like half down here.
Yeah.
And they needed bait. I went and got my yak and just launched right there, which is not good because it's like real. It's like a dirt they go like that and it drops.
Yeah.
I launched there, but I had my cast there. Took it out one cast. This is at the third bridge.
Yep.
Further up.
Oh, okay, yeah, I know which one.
The
Yeah.
third one.
Yeah.
Way in, and then one cast, man, I caught 20 like mullet,
Wow.
like body mullet.
Like big one or just bait size?
Just mixed, like big one like that.
Oh, yeah.
Tiny, good bait size.
Yeah. Oh, I think the tide's turning. It's moving. Nothing down in the sounder?
Nothing to cast out anyway. Usually I'll just cast the bank because usually there's flatties in the bank.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good cast. Good reel. That's went like a rocket.
You should check out on, you shop AliExpress?
Nah.
It's like Temu, but it's way better than Temu.
Oh, is that? Oh, okay.
This is AliExpress rod and line, but this is rated, man, for the quality of this build of this rod.
Yeah.
Man, all the Americans bought it on YouTube. They bought heaps and stock when it was cheap.
Yeah, but it's like the way you cast it just went like a rocket. Yeah.
And they realised when they're getting a bit older, you can't do
Yeah.
it all yourself.
I know.
This is light, man.
Yeah, some hobby one is really good.
Yeah, bro.
All different sizes too.
When you go over there, like the shop's right there, you won't never miss it. And then
Oh, really?
you can what you can do is come when they're open,
Yep.
ask them if you want to test something.
Yeah.
They'll let you test it.
Because they're next to the water, right?
Yeah, for free.
Wow.
You just go
And you got a rudder as well. Rudder.
Yeah, that's a rudder.
Yeah, really good.
It's real responsive, like like when you're coming out, you take it out.
Yeah.
Plus, you can pull this out. Pull this box out.
Wow. Oh, okay. Really good. Easy too, eh? Looks pretty easy.
Yeah. And then back when you launch.
Yeah, nice.
Because usually I got like a crate that has 4 rod holders, but to
Yeah.
me it's too clunky. So I just attached it to the seat.
Oh, right.
So this
Nice.
seat detaches.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I was trying to make it, customize it where the seat will hold everything. So
Yeah.
when I come in, I just put it on the seat.
Beautiful day. Anyway, we're paddling back to the boat ramp and go home. There's a dog barking at me. Yeah, I think it's on the houseboat. There you go. See him? Looks pretty cute. He's looking at me. Where is he? Yeah. There he is. I'm out of batteries soon, guys. There you go. I'm at a subscriber. This kayak is awesome. Nice setup. Anyway, packing up the shop soon. Battery running out as well. Hello, are you all hot? Yeah, hello. Hello, are you hot? Hmm? Hello. Anyway, home. Let's go, Max. Keep going. Taking dog for a quick walk after fishing. 3 dogs. Beautiful Wynnum walk. Very nice. See that, guys? Beautiful. High tiking fish here. They were meeting up each other. Yeah, I think it was high tide. Yeah, you can fish here or put your crab pot in here. Beautiful day. You can even see Manly over there, Redlands from a distance. It's going to high tide. So when it's high tide, it can go right up to here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time for another one.